Welcome to episode 11 of Lexoween. This makeup look is probably going to be one of the most simplest looks I have done. Okay, so let's get it started. I'm going to moisturize my face, so I'm going to use this hyaluronic acid 1% and vitamin C serum by Skin Nutrients Biotonics. I'm just using this one because I was sick these last couple of days and my nose is really dry. And this doesn't have any scent to it, so it doesn't irritate my nose or make it like burn. I'm going to spot check with this e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, matte finish in the shade Fair Warm. For foundation, I'm going to be using this LA Colors Matte Liquid Foundation in the shade Buff because vampires are pale white, and this is the palest one I have. I'm going to go into with some more concealer. I'm gonna go in contour, so I'm gonna take this LA Colors contour palette, this shade. The Coty Airspun Face Loose Powder. Instead of setting my face, I'm just going to bake. Not really bake, I'm just gonna press in the powder. For blush, I'm going to be using this Peach Squad by e.l.f. and use the peach shade in here because I don't want it to, like, I want to look dead and pale. For the eyebrows, I'm going to run to the Fantasy palette, take the shade. Now I'm going to do the eyeshadow. Use the Giordano Colors Pro Portfolio and use the shade as a crease. Go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to take some Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange, which is these two shades right here, and I'm going to use that as a transition color just to soften it up so it doesn't look so harsh. I'm going to this dark brown shade and darken up the crease. To cut my crease. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the Changeable Fantasy palette. I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm just going to pat the black onto my lid. I'm going to go into the Beauty Glaze palette and mix these 3 red shades together and put that on top of the black. Take another blending brush and just blend the black into the dark brown so the lines aren't so harsh. I'm gonna clean up the sides just to make it more of a point. A red inner corner, we need glitter, so I'm going to Changeable Fantasy palette, take that one. I'm just gonna use my finger. I just outlined the under thing with black. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the point of an angled brush and take black, purple, lightly, draw little like vein marks. Like if you've seen the Vampire Diaries and you've seen like them like when they like smell blood, like you can see, like I'll pop a picture right here, like that's what they look like. So like I'm gonna try to do that. Make them like all sorts of sizes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this Too Faced Melted Liquid Long Wearing Lip Gloss, and it's in the shade Chihuahua, and I'm just gonna add that as a base. I really need to invest in a red liquid lipstick or like a matte one. I'm gonna take a lip brush. I'm just gonna take some red eyeshadow. And if you were to have fake blood, I would put it like all around your mouth and paint in some vampire teeth, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to use some highlights. So I'm just going to be using this one. It's from the e.l.f. Luminous palette, I believe. From e.l.f. though, I know that. And I'm using this one because it's very, very white. Do lashes and mascara. So first I'm going to curl my lashes and paint on mascara. So I'm just going to be using this curved brush while I lash mascara. For lashes, I'm going to be using this style right here. They're not really dramatic at all. They're just like, they're dramatic, but they're also like subtle in a way. Like that's what they look like. At the ends of your like eyelids, they flare out. So that's what the eyelashes look like. So this is with the eyelashes and without. Now the last thing I am going to do is I'm going to take some red and put it on my neck and make 2 vampire bites. I'm going to take some black and put it in the middle. That was all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell so you guys are notified every time I upload, especially for the next episode of Lexoween, because if you're not in love with the series, then what's wrong with you? Just kidding. Anyway, if you're not followed to my TikTok, please follow it. It is Queen Alexia _YT. It's also on the screen. I don't know what side it is, but it's on the screen. See you guys next time. Bye!